know how challenging it can be to live with diabetes in Nigeria. The cost, strict diets, and constant monitoring, all these can be overwhelming. But what if I told you that nature has provided us with herbs to fight diabetes right here in Nigeria? Herbs that our ancestors have used for generations and that modern science is now starting to validate for their amazing benefits, especially for blood sugar control. In this video, we are going to uncover 3 of such herbs that every Nigerian diabetic needs to know about. We'll talk about what they are, how they might help, and most importantly, how you can incorporate them safely into your routine. So grab a seat, a pen and paper, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on your post notification so that you don't miss any of our insightful videos. Alright, let's jump right in with the first incredible herb, which is scent leaf. Beyond this amazing flavor, scent leaf has been used for a lot of medicinal purposes, and research has shown its potential in helping with blood sugar control. Studies have suggested that compounds in scent leaf help lower blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and even have antioxidant properties that help protect your cells. Now, how can you use it? Number 1, you can brew it as a tea. Add it generously to your soups and stew, or even juice it. Moving on to our second herb, which is bitter leaf. Bitter leaf is known as ewuro in Yoruba, onugbu in Igbo, and shakwaganye in Hausa. It is used in many Nigerian dishes like egusi soup and edikaikong. It is packed with vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants. When it comes to diabetes, bitter leaf has been used to lower blood sugar levels. Research suggests that it contains compounds that help to reduce glucose levels, improve the body's ability to use insulin, and even protect against diabetes-related complications. To use it, many people wash and squeeze the leaves to reduce the bitterness, then drink the juice. You can also add the washed leaves to your soup. And now for our third incredible Nigerian herb. This one is often called the miracle leaf, or is widely known as moringa, zogale in Hausa, and ewe igbale in Yoruba. Moringa is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, as well as calcium, potassium, and protein. Research suggests that moringa helps lower blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and even reduce oxidative stress, which is often higher in people with diabetes. So just see it as a natural multivitamin with the added benefits of blood sugar control. So how can you use moringa? Moringa leaves can be added to your soups, your stews, your smoothies, or even brewed as a tea. You can brew it as a tea by adding a teaspoon to hot water, mix it together and allow it to sip before drinking. Moringa powder, which is made from dried leaves, can also be mixed into your drinks or sprinkled over your food. So there you have it, scent leaf, bitter leaf, and moringa. 3 incredible Nigerian herbs that every diabetic needs to support their blood sugar control and overall well-being. So, have you used any of these herbs for diabetes control? Share your experiences in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share it so that others can also benefit from it, and subscribe and turn on your post notification if you haven't, so you can continue enjoying insightful videos like this. Until next time, stay healthy.